Every frame of every game you've ever played was calculated by something that looks exactly like this.
NVIDIA GPUs now power everything from video games to artificial intelligence, processing over a quintillion calculations per second.
Today, Process Pulse Factory takes you inside the most sophisticated manufacturing process on the planet.
Linda has spent 17 years building chips that power the world's most advanced technology. Most people have never heard her name.
For Linda, every chip that leaves this facility carries something personal. 17 years of
her son games every night on an NVIDIA GPU. He doesn't know his mother built the chip inside his machine.
Shift starts. And somewhere in this building, an NVIDIA GPU begins its journey into existence.
Ensuring our materials meet NVIDIA's strict quality standards is paramount for delivering the best products.
Looks good, a few minor anomalies on sector gamma, but within tolerance.
Agreed. Log it, and let's run the next one. Every component is tracked from arrival to production entry, live on screen.
Each 300mm wafer will eventually yield hundreds of individual GPU chips. Before anything begins,
the EUV lithography machine new, the size of a school bus, costing $150 million. Extreme ultraviolet light projecting circuit patterns on
Layer by layer, materials are deposited at the atomic level, building the transistor structures that will switch billions of times per second. Ions are fired into the silicon at controlled depths, precisely doping the material to create the electrical properties each transistor requires. A diamond saw cuts the completed wafer into individual GPU dies, each one a complete, self-contained processor ready for packaging.
The GPU die is bonded to its substrate using thousands of microscopic solder bumps, each one precisely placed by robots, not human hands. Surface mount technology machines placing components onto the GPU circuit board at high speed. Capacitors, power regulators, connectors, all placed in seconds.
And Zex4. The cooling system is engineered to dissipate up to 450 watts of heat, camps, applied with precision that
every single GPU runs a full performance benchmark before leaving. Tested at maximum load. Verified against NVIDIA's exact specification.
This clean room contains air 1,000 times purer than a hospital operating room.
Before you proceed into the restricted areas, our legal department requires your team to sign this non-disclosure agreement.
We're now pushing it to -40 Celsius. Look at those sensor readings.
Incredible. The core temperature is plummeting.
Is there a capability in current NVIDIA GPUs that the public doesn't know about?
We need to investigate the dip in Zone 3. The yield percentage is below our target for functional dies.
Now, what's happened is that over the decades, we've reduced the size of these transistors.
Do you see this cluster forming in the upper quadrant? It's spreading. That's not random.
Look here, it seems to be propagating from this specific point.
Let's recheck the airlock logs.
Already did. Nothing unusual there.
Calibration sequence initiated. Monitor the target drift. Sub-nanometer alignment looks stable on my end.
The simulation results are in, and let's analyze the thermal distribution.
Looks like we have a significant hotspot in the core.
Contamination event confirmed. Activate full investigation protocols. Halt all production immediately.
The new redundant filtration and real-time particle monitoring system, installed after the 2020 event.
The entire lot is affected, and we're looking at a potential line down situation.
What's the containment plan? And how quickly can we get clean substrates?
The port congestion in Singapore is critical. We need to divert shipments.
A dedicated reliability lab. GPUs in accelerated life testing rigs, running continuously at elevated stress conditions.
In today's globalized economy, efficient distribution is paramount. This network connects manufacturing to over 90 countries.
We've seen incredible growth in our town since the facility opened. It's brought jobs, new businesses, and a real sense of optimism.
Okay, let's run the simulation again with these new parameters.
Agreed. This dataset anomaly needs further investigation before we can publish.
NVIDIA GPU efficiency. A decade of progress.
Look at the precision. Wow.
Oh, it's incredible.
We made a lot of the fruit puree today for the yogurts. Did you make strawberry?
This is really good. Where did you get it?
My mom made it.
Tell her it's delicious.
Started when chips were measured in microns, not nanometers. It's been a journey.
Everything looking good this morning, Sarah. Any issues with the new calibration on line 3?
No, Director. Ran diagnostics, all systems nominal.
I remember back in '98, we had a pressure valve blow on line 3. Took us 12 hours to get it back up and running.
Yeah. These screens monitor our pasteurization temperatures and flow rates.
Got it. So this graph shows
Would
you look at that?
I've never seen anything like it.
You've seen how it's built. Now tell us, what part of this process surprised you most? Drop your answer in the comments. We read every one.
Next on Process Pulse Factory, we go inside the facility that makes something 4 billion people touch every single day. You won't guess what it is. The extended cut, including the prototype archive and restricted lab footage, is available exclusively for Process Pulse Factory members.
Process Pulse Factory. Every week, a new facility.